It is applicable, practical. क्या रामायण? राम भरोसो राम भले, राम नाम भिसुवास, समरित शुभ मंगल कुशल मांगता तुलसीदास. सुमरित शुभ मंगल कुशल मांगता तुलसीदास. Trust me. Only thing is you need to have viswas. Lot of people are hurting. Trust me. दास के जीवन में अभी प्रस्तुत काल में हाउ रामायण हेल्प्स. आज का चर्चा का विषय तो अधम्बेन सख्यम, ट्रू फ्रेंडशिप. हाउ रामायण हेल्प्स. प्रत्यक्ष आई एम विटनेसिंग इट. Even though it is a personal thing, there is no harm in telling because it is only going to uplift many people. I went for my checkup. It never happened. Why uski icha? My pulse rate went to 125. Suddenly, although the nurse practitioner, she knows that my pulse rate is normally high but not to that level. I was shocked. It came down, nothing alarming. Then came home. I was just mentioning this to my Saka, with whom I have been in friendship for 30 years. PhD MD, Canada में है. मैंने इसी प्रसंग में कभी बार उसका नाम तो लिया. I said Ramayan is living. I said it went 125. Madhav is witness. So it went to 125 and then he said that he asked, what is the discussion you are doing in the temple these days? I am talking about true friendship. ये तो MD PhD है. नॉर्मली MD इज बहुत पढ़ाई. वो तो MD PhD किया, रिकॉम्बिनेंट DNA में किया. शुद्ध आत्मा. Ram, if something happens to you and you are admitted today and you have an heart attack, next flight I am there in Lubbock. वही अधम्बेन सख्यम. देन आई सेड धन्य वो, मैं तो गुह का नाम स्मरण कर रहा हूं. लुक एट इट. रामायण गिव्स यू प्रत्यक्ष सका. सका समसका, आत्म समसका. कैन यू बिलीव? Once doctor's schedule is put for 6 months, it is very difficult to change it unless otherwise immediate family emergency. He said, don't worry. Once you get admitted, the next day I'll be here from Toronto. I said, why this happened? Such a Shuddha Saka. I'm seeing what Rama witnessed in Guha. Das is seeing. That is Ramayan. Ramayan, Ram may test you. But if you have Vishwas, Ramayan is pratyaksha for you. That is what Tulsidas says. Rama Bharos.